Well, hello again guys, and welcome back to the Shed of Hope. Been a while, I know, I'm sorry, but there's been a lot going on, a lot of stuff, and a lot of changes on the horizon. It's going to be fun. I hope anyway. There's others that probably wouldn't say that, but yeah, it's going to be fun. So, we are here today with, let's try and get it in shot. Where are we? No, we've gone too far, and yeah, I think I'm just going to swing you guys out and do it this way. There we go. Get back here a bit. So we have the 3305 again, as you can see, and we're playing with the steering again. And yeah, we've got steerage bits and all the tools of the trade, as you can see, parts, new shaft. Now what we've actually done is reamed out the hole. I don't know if you guys can see that. Ooh, there you go, probably see all the way through. So we've got to reattach all this malarkey and put the old shafty in, and it'll all be good. So I'm going to set you guys up sort of here somewhere again, if we can, and see if we can get a reasonable shot of what's going on, perhaps. I might get it off there. Yeah, quite like that. You guys like that? Can you see? Can you see that? Yeah, I think you can see. So, yeah, okay. So first step, need my gloves on. So, glovage, because this is going to be greasy. Definitely a bit greasy. So what we're going to have to do is drop the shaft down through. We're going to have to open this thing up a little bit first. So I've got a wedge, I've got a hammer, the old Tanya Harding, as my dear friend over in the States calls it. So Tanya, there you go. So what we're going to have to do is open this split up. I don't know if you guys can see that well. There's damn chains in the way. It's a bit dark in here today. But yeah, so what we're going to do is open this split up using a wedge like that. This is actually either a timber wedge or a stone splitting wedge, so we're going to have to set that up. Actually, I might try and set you guys up sort of there somewhere. I don't know. Can you see there? Yeah, you guys can sort of see there. Like that. So you guys can watch me doing this. Okay, so what we're now going to do is just tap that in there a bit like that. Whoopsie, there we go. Open it right up. Okay. And the next thing we're going to do is line it up with the hole. It's a bit greasy and nasty in there, so what I'm going to do is give it a spray down with some goopy goop, and then what we're going to do is drive our cloth down through here like this. Look at that, make a sausage of it. Should come out the bottom in a minute, I hope anyway. Ooh, almost. A bit more, there we go. See? So we're going to do that, and we're going to give her a good scrubbing with this. Oh, there we go. That'll be near enough for our purpose. So we're going to line that up with that. First thing to do is slather a bit of this stuff on. So I'm just going to squeeze a bit to the top, and yeah. Okay, so shafty needs some grease on it. So all on these bits here. Won't hurt it at all. Okay. Need some more than that, I think. Oh, there's a bit more for the top end. Look, there's a stone there. Don't want that. Don't know how that got in there. Whole yard stone, so it's probably not surprising. So that's all nice and lubed. Put a bit just on there to do that, and then we're going to pop this down in here. Now, the there's a master spline here. That needs to line up with wherever that is there at the back there, I think. Yes. So that needs to be there like that, opposite that. Okay. Okay. So I think we're going to have to open that thing up a little bit more. It definitely fits down in the hole anyway, so that's sort of good news. That needs to be around there a bit more. So she's definitely going. Oh, yes. Oh, sorry guys, but you've sort of fallen a bit. Oh, sorry. Sorry. I need to do something with these leggages a bit, perhaps. Yeah, something like that. Can you guys see? You okay there? Like that? Yeah. You're good. Don't know how much more space we have on this, but anyhow. Down in she goes. Now then, we've got to turn that a bit and find its mark. I'm just going to get the grips, guys. Yeah, I'm going to get the grips and just twizzle that round and do. Back in a second. Okie dokie. Right, so if memory serves me right, I did put a mark on that as to where it was. There. So I think just to go a little bit. What we're going to do is give it a gentle tap. I don't know if that started or not. Maybe not. An uphill tap just to get some turnage on it again. I can see the mark actually if I go around here. Yeah. That's looking like about it. So hopefully that should just tap down in there. Or not, as the case may be. Yeah, well guys, I think basically what I'm going to do is bring you guys back once I've got that just started and in, because it's going to be a bit of a fiddle, and I'm going to be out of time anyway on this, I think. Oh, actually we're 8 minutes in, so I think what I'm going to do is do that, because otherwise this is going to take like 2 hours to upload. So yeah, here we go. So I'm going to do this in another take, I think. So I'm going to fiddle with that for a bit, and I'll bring you guys back in a bit. Love, light and peace.